The only tools that you're going to need is a credit card, a hair dryer set on warm to medium to low, a toothpick if you have one, dental floss, and a butter knife. So what we're going to do now is, after your phone's powered all the way off, what we're going to do is warm the screen up with your hair dryer. So it's on heat. So I'm going to hold the hair dryer on my phone for about 5 minutes, going around the corners and going to the center. Next, I want to work on the corners and then try to work my way in. And you could use a toothpick for this as well. And it should be a little bit warm to the touch. If a credit card doesn't work, you might have to use your fingernails. So you can see there, the fingernails actually works better. That or a toothpick. And I could look at there. I could see that warming it up helped a lot. If you wanted to get dental floss, you can, to help you out a little bit. As you can see here, there's air pockets that's being filled as I work my way down. And this is a safe way without damaging your LCD screen that's underneath the screen protector. Wow, that's working great. Perfect. Now I just need a little bit of rubbing alcohol to remove this. So I use a little bit of rubbing alcohol, just a tad. To get all the residue and the sticky stuff off. Now it looks like I'm ready for my new Samsung S21.